What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Another TRX update for you today. We're going to be doing another update video on the oil catch can or oil separator, whatever you want to call it. I have the JLT, or now they're referred to as JNL oil catch can or oil separator, the 3.0. It's been about 6,000 miles since my last oil change, so it's due for another one. So that means we're gonna go ahead and empty out the oil catch can as well. So let's see if the catch can was doing its job and how much oil it's actually collected over those 6,000 miles. So super simple, go ahead, let's pop the hood, come on over right over here. As you can see, oil catch can, all we gotta do is unthread the bottom. Oh, it's a little hot, damn. Let me go ahead and grab a cloth so I can get this off. So yeah. Bit of advice, if you've just been driving, be careful because it gets real hot. So I just grabbed a squeegee, go ahead and twist this off. Super simple to do. The bottom of the can just unthreads. All right. Go ahead and grab this. All right, let's have a look. All right, so we definitely have some oil in there. It's not a whole bunch, but definitely some. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna pour it into a clear container so you can have a better look. All right, so we can have a look right here in the water bottle. That's how much oil was in the oil catch can. It's just basically up to like that first little line right there. I have no idea how much that is like volume wise, but that's how much oil was collected in the can in about 6,000 miles roughly. Is it worth it? That's up to you guys. There's always a huge debate if a oil catch can is necessary or not. A lot of people say, oh well, if it wasn't installed by the dealership, we don't need one. In my opinion, I think, now again, I don't know, this is speculation, I don't know the actual, if this is fact or not, but I don't think the dealership would give you an oil catch can installed from the factory. One, because it's one more, maintenance item that the dealership probably thinks people are gonna be forgetful to check it and drain it. And it might cause more damage than if you didn't have one, if you weren't to keep on top of it and constantly check it and change it. And two, it might also be some sort of like EPA restriction kind of thing. I do know California, for example, you can't even get an oil catch can shipped to you out there. So maybe it has something to do with that, where manufacturers are like, hey, we just can't install one because of that. Because I mean, for example, I know like the Shelby Mustangs, when you buy one new from Ford, they actually give you an oil catch can. It's just not installed on the car. You have to go ahead and install it yourself if you want. So it's just my guess, as to why they don't install one from the factory. But hey, I'm not an engineer. It's just my personal opinion, and I always choose to run one on my Hemis because it was the same thing with my Rebel, my 5.7. It collected a lot of oil, so I figured, hey, with the TRX, why not throw one on? It's $120. I think it's money well worth it. And just like that, in about 5 minutes, the oil catch can is drained and reinstalled. Super simple to do. This is something, in my opinion, you want to just have for peace of mind. A lot of people think that the oil catch can only catches blowback, but it also catches a lot of condensation as well. So if you're taking a lot of short trips in your TRX where all the temperatures, everything inside the truck, inside the engine aren't reaching, maximum, maximum temperature for like use, it's gonna catch a lot of condensation. So in my opinion, they're always super helpful to have. But again, opinions are like assholes and everyone has one. So this is just my opinion. You guys could do whatever you want with your truck. But quick video for you guys today. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.